Exercise 9.5 in homogeneous differential equations. We have to prove that a homogeneous equation and also we have to solve it. The first question is x square plus xy dy is equal to x square plus y square dx. Now, this can be written as dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. Keep this as equation 1. First equation. First we have to prove it is a differential equation, homogeneous equation. It is a homogeneous differential equation. For that f of xy is equal to x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. Now calculate f of lambda x lambda y. F of lambda x lambda y is lambda square x square lambda square y square divided by lambda square x square plus lambda x lambda y. So what do you get here? So lambda square cancels. This is lambda power 0 into x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. This is nothing but lambda power 0 f of xy. So the given equation is a homogeneous. Given equation is homogeneous. Now we have to solve it. For solving, what we have to take? Let y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx. Next step is differentiating with respect to x here, so that we will get dy by dx. Dy by dx, v is also a function, product rule you use, v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. Keep this as equation 2. Now from 2 and 1 we get using 2 in 1, the left hand side becomes v plus x dv by dx, v plus x dv by dx. But here x square plus y square, x square plus xy. So what is we have taken? Y is equal to vx. X square plus y square is v square x square plus x into vx. Now x square cancels and we get 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v. Now this can be further simplified like this, so that we will get variable separable form. The variables are x and v. Now 1 plus v square plus 1 by 1 plus v minus v. 1 plus v square minus v square divided by 1 plus v. So x into dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v by 1 plus v. Now we can change or separate the variables. That is 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v dv is equal to dx by x. Now I will be taking this how to integrate. Integral of 1 plus v minus 1 by v dy is equal to integral of dx by x plus you can take a constant c or c1, whatever it is. Let us see in the end what is the differential equation that we are getting, how to integrate this 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v. Now try to create 1 minus v in the numerator. How will you do this? How to do this? You see, you have to create v minus 1. Here at least v minus 1 we need. So if you take minus 1, we have to take plus 1. So v minus 1 multiply by 1 by 2 into 2 plus 2v by 1 minus v dv is equal to dx by x plus c. So this we can write like this: 1 by 2. I want 1 minus v factors there. So you can write this as 2 into v minus 1. 2v minus 1 means what we have taken, you see. 2 plus 2v we have taken, and 2 into v minus 1 we were able to write. Minus 2 we have taken. So we have to take plus 2 divided by 1 minus v. Is it all right to see? So here this is minus v, you multiply here, minus v square. So v square minus v square cancels, so 1 minus v is there, 1 plus v is there. So it comes to the numerator 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v. Then how to integrate this? So this is the method that we have to solve. Now this is equal to integral dx by x plus c. How we are going to do the first integral here? So this will be integral. So 1 by 2 is also not required. So 2 cancels. V minus 1 by v minus dv plus 2 into integral 1 by 1 minus v dv. This is a dx by x plus c. You see the integration. V minus 1, 1 minus v is there. Therefore, if we cancel this and this also gets cancelled, and here 4 by 2 is 2, and what is remaining is 1 by 1 minus v. Now this is over. Now what is the integration for this minus dv? Let us see that. This is minus v. Integration of 1 by 1 minus v is minus log, that is 2, into minus log 1 minus v. 1 divided by 1 minus v integration is minus log 1 minus v. This is equal to log x plus, we can write this as log c. So let us take this as c1, c1, c1. So we are getting logarithms. So here we can write this as minus v. Minus v is now y by x, or let us keep it for one more step. We will simplify the logarithms. Here log 1 minus v whole square, the 2 can be taken as minus. When it comes to the other side it becomes plus, and here all of them are in plus, so x into c. So now let us substitute v is equal to, because we have put v is equal to y is equal to vx, v is equal to y by x. Now this is here log 1 minus v, that is y by x. So x square minus y square by x square x into c. Now this is equal to, we can write this as e power minus y by x, x square minus y square by x into, so here 1x cancels, c. So x into e power minus y by x is equal to c into x square minus y square. This is the general solution. This is the general solution. So we should know how to integrate 1 plus v by 1 minus v. See, instead of this 2 plus 2v, we can easily take it as 2v minus 2 into v minus 1 plus 2 also we can take v minus 1 plus 2. That is also we can take. You see, 1 plus v can write it as v minus 1 plus 2. So this is also okay. We need not have to multiply by 1 by 2. When you multiply by 1 by 2, we have to divide it. So that is not required. So you can use 1 plus v is equal to v minus 1 plus 2. So first question itself is, main is integration. First we have to prove homogeneous equation. Then we have to put the substitution, put y is equal to vx. Then we have to go for integration. Once integration, then finally we have to back substitute y by x and simplify using the logarithm properties. So you get x into e power minus y by x is equal to x square minus y square into c is the general solution. We will go to the next question. Here in the last step, here we have to get here x minus y whole square by x square. So this will become x minus y whole square c. So correct it, because 1 minus y by x, for whole of that it is square is there. Therefore, this will be x minus y by x whole square. So x minus y whole square by x square. It is not x square minus y square. Thank you. Now the second question, the exercise 9.5 is y dash is equal to x plus y by x. See, we can see these are homogeneous functions because the degree is 1. Numerator degree and denominator degree is 1. So it is a homogeneous equation of degree 0. So you can take this dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x. Keep this as equation 1. Here f of xy is equal to x plus y by x. You calculate f of lambda x, lambda y is equal to, see here lambda x, lambda y, lambda x, lambda cancels, you get again lambda power 0 into f of x comma y. So the given differential, the given equation is homogeneous. So given differential equation is homogeneous equation. Now the next step, first we have proved that it is homogeneous. Next what we have to do, take the substitution, put y is equal to vx, differentiating this, differentiating with respect to x, with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. We have to apply product rule for v and x. First function is v, second function is x. So the differentiation becomes like this. Second equation we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x dy by dx. Using this in equation 1, v plus x dv by dx is equal to, now here you see x plus y by x, that is, this can be written as 1 plus y by x or 1 plus v. So if you divide by x, 1 plus y by x is v. Now v cancels and x dv by dx is equal to, x dv by dx is equal to, we get 1. So separating the variables, dv, integral dv is equal to integral dx by x plus c. Now we get the integration v is equal to log of mod x plus c. What is v? V is y by x is equal to log mod x plus c, or y is equal to x log mod x plus cx is the solution. This is the solution for the given differential equation. So, very simple one, x plus y by x. So, here we are getting only 1 plus y by x, which is 1 plus v. So, v cancels, we get x into dv by dx is equal to 1. So, dv is equal to dx by x. So, that is the separation of variables. Integral dv is equal to integral dx by x plus c. So, that you get v is equal to log mod x plus c, y by x is equal to log mod x plus c. So, y is equal to multiply by x, x log mod x plus cx. Now, let us go to the next question, which is 3. X minus y dx minus x plus y dx dy, this is dy and dx is equal to 0. Now, what is dy by dx? First calculate dy by dx. What is dy by dx from this? dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x minus y. So, keep this as equation 1. This is f of xy is x plus y by x minus y. F of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda x plus lambda y lambda x minus lambda y. This is equal to x plus y divided by x minus y. So, this can be taken as lambda power 0 x plus y by x minus y, or lambda power 0 f of x y. So, definition of homogeneous functions, first definition, change x to lambda x, y to lambda y, and write it in the form of lambda power 0 into f of x y, lambda power n. So, n is equal to 0 in this case. So, 0 degree homogeneous equation. So, this is a 0 degree differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Now, put y is equal to Vx, put y is equal to Vx, differentiating with respect to x. What is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx. So, this is equation 2. Using 2 in 1, we will now come to this. X plus v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, here you can see, if you divide by x, 1 plus y by x, 1 minus y by x. So, what is the value? Y by x is v, 1 minus x, 1 plus v by 1 minus v. So, x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v minus v. So, on simplification we get this minus v plus v cancels, we get x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square by 1 minus v, 1 plus v square by 1 minus v. Now, separate the variables, 1 minus v by 1 plus v square dv is equal to dx by x. Now from this, integration is next step. Integral 1 plus v square, 1 minus v by 1 plus v square, integral dx by x is equal to c. Dx by x plus an integration constant c. How to integrate this? You see how I am doing this? 1 by 1 plus v square dv minus 1 by 2 into 2v by 1 plus v square is equal to integral dx by x plus c. So all the integration is in terms of log. You see, this is log 1 plus v. 1 by 1 plus v dv is 1 by 1 plus v square, sorry, 1 by 1 plus v square. So what is 1 by 1 plus v square? It is tan inverse of v, and this is 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus v square. This is log mod x plus, we can write this as log c. Take c1 is equal to log c. Now tan inverse of v is equal to, if you take it to the other side, this can be taken like this, log of root of 1 plus v square x into c. Now this is tan inverse of y by x is equal to log of, here y square, you can see this, y square by x square into x into c. Now final answer, we can write this. Answer is tan inverse of y by x is equal to, here x square plus y square root of x square plus y square, and this denominator x square, it becomes x. So x cancels and we get c. So this is the solution. This is the solution for the differential equation. So this differential equation is x minus y dy minus x plus y dx is equal to 0. We get a tan inverse of y by x is equal to log of root of x plus y square multiplied by c. So here take c1 is equal to log c. Okay. Now 3 problems are over. We will see the next question. Fourth question is x square dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2xy plus xy. Now what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2xy plus xy divided by x square. Now we have to prove that it is a homogeneous equation. Now I will take f of xy, which is equal to, if we divide it by f of xy is x square minus 2xy plus xy by x square. So this can be changed, you see, divide by x square, 1 minus 2 this is x square minus 2y square. So this is x square minus 2y square. So here if you divide it by x square, it will be y square by x square. Now I have changed it. It is not minus 2xy, it is minus 2y square, minus 2y square, minus 2y square. Now I am dividing it by x square. Now this will become plus y by x. Now this function is nothing but x square, we have taken out x square into g of y by x, x square into g of y by x. So this function is homogeneous. So this is a homogeneous equation, differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. For that, what we have to put is, first what we have to do, put y is equal to v into x, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we will take dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So for all the problems it is same, dy by dx is equal to, only when x by y we get, we have to change. Now substituting using 2 in 1, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, now you can simply see here we have to substitute y is equal to vx or y by x is equal to v. So this is 1 minus 2 v square plus v. So this v cancels. Now we get x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 2 v square. This implies dv by 1 minus 2 v square is equal to dx by x. So variable separable is also over. After taking the substitution, simplifying, one of the variable y is eliminated. Now x and v are the variables. Now we are getting a variable separable, and that is also over. Now integration dv by 1 minus 2 v square is equal to dx by x plus c, a constant c. Now how to integrate 1 minus v square? So we have got a square minus x square, in the dx by a square minus x square we have to use. Now for before that what we have to do, dv by, you take out 2, 1 by 2 minus v square. So this is in the form of a square minus x square integral dx by x plus c. Now what is the formula for dx by a square minus x square? 1 by 2 log a minus x by a plus x. Is it correct? No. Log a plus x divided by a minus x. So here I am writing the integral for this. Here this is 1 by root 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 log a plus x divided by a minus x is equal to log x plus, we can write this as, because all the terms are in logarithms, we can write it as log xy. So you take c1, this you take it as c1 is equal to log c. Now let us simplify this. 1 by 2 root 2 log 1 plus root 2v divided by 1 minus 2 root 2v is equal to log xc. Log xc. Now we can cancel logarithms. How to cancel it? Can we cancel logarithms? No, because this is 1 by root 2 is there. So 1 by 2 root 2 log v is equal to y by x. If you put y by x, it will become x plus root 2y divided by x minus 2 root 2y is equal to log xc. Since we cannot, this 2 root 2 when it goes, it will become a irrational term here. So, we can leave it as it is the solution, general solution. It is also a general solution. So, so question is x square minus 2y square plus xy by x square. You can see I have proved it as a homogeneous function. Also, afterwards put v is equal to y is equal to vx, differentiate using 2 in 1, simplify it, you get variable separable. Only thing, integration is important. A square minus x square, dx by a square minus x square formula that we have to use here, that is 1 by 2a log a plus x divided by a minus x. Okay. Now, next question is x into dy by dx, dy minus y dx is equal to root of x square plus y square. We can write this as dy by dx is equal to y plus square root of x square plus y square by x. So, this is the given differential equation. We have to prove that it is a homogeneous. The f of x y is equal to y plus square root of x square plus y square by x. Now, f of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda x plus lambda square x square lambda square y square by lambda x. On simplification, we get f of lambda x lambda y is equal to, see, lambda comes out of the square root also, lambda square, when it comes out it will be lambda. So, lambda is common. So, you get what we get here, lambda y, y plus square root of x square plus y square divided by x. So, this can be taken as lambda power 0 f of x y. So, it is a, this is a, so this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now, for this we have to put y is equal to Vx, put y is equal to Vx. Once we put y is equal to Vx, differentiating dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So, for all the problems we are doing the same step. First to prove that it is homogeneous equation and then take the substitution. Now, use the substitution, that the differentiation dy by dx in 1 using 2 in 1 v plus x dv by dx is equal to, see, if you divide it by x here, y by x it will become, and here it will be x square 1 plus v square. So, here y, if you put y is equal to Vx, I will do this here, y is equal to Vx plus square root of x square plus v square x square divided by x. See, this simplifies to v plus square root of 1 plus v square, v plus square root of 1 plus v square. Now, from this x square, x will come outside, this x cancels, v plus, here 1 will be there and here v square will be there. Now, this leads to x dv by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus square root of 1 plus y square, or x dv by dx is equal to v cancels, root of 1 plus y square. Now separating the variables, dv by square root of 1 plus y square 1 plus v square 1 plus v square is equal to dx by x. Now let us integrate this. Integral of dv by square root of 1 plus v square is equal to, so this is the integration for this. Now you see, plus we can write this as log c constant, let us take it as log c. Now what is the integration for dx by root of a square plus x square? That is log of x plus a square plus x square, x plus square root of 1 plus v square, v plus square root of 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus log c. So this can be taken as log xc. So logarithm we can cancel. Now let us put v plus square root of 1 plus v square is equal to x into c. What is v? V is y by x plus square root of 1 plus y square by x square is equal to xc. Now this is y plus square root of x square plus y square by xc. X divided by x, because x is there, here also you will get x. So this is the answer is y plus square root of x square plus y square is equal to x square c is the solution. This is the solution for this. Y plus square root of x square plus y square is equal to x square c. Okay. Now here the integration is important. 1 by root of 1 plus v square is log of v plus, see 1 plus x square is x plus root of 1 plus x square. So v plus root of 1 plus x square log of, all logarithms are there, so it can be cancelled. So you get y plus root of x square plus y square is equal to x square c. Seventh question, x into cos y by x plus y sin y by x, y dx is equal to y sin y by x minus x cos y by x into x dy. Now from this, what is the dy by dx? Dy by dx. So dy by dx is x into cos x cos y by x minus y sin y by x, sorry, this is y into, now here x into, this is x into y sin y by x minus x cos y by x. Now it is a homogeneous differential equation. Here afterwards I will not prove homogeneous differential equation, we will only do the solution part. So I will write directly, this is a, you have to do it yourself. So number of questions are over. Now we have to learn how to get the solutions. This is a homogeneous differential equation. For that what we have to take, put y is equal to Vx. So keep this as equation 1. Y is equal to Vx, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. So what is the differentiation here? Dy by dx is equal to v into x differentiation is 1, therefore v plus x into v differentiation is dv by dx. So, this is 2. Now, using 2 in 1, equation 2 in 1. Now, let us observe carefully what are the things that we are getting here. See, dy by dx v plus x into dv by dx. So, right side be careful, we have to substitute y by x is equal to v. So, what I will do is I will divide it by x, you will get what here, y by x. So, y by x. So, here also if you divide it by x, what will you get here, y by x. So, this x also, here y is there, if you divide it by x, y by x will be there, x will be there, x will also get cancelled. So, what is the final answers that we will be getting here, you see, y is v into x cos v. X will not be there because we are dividing it by x here. So, here you will get v sin v divided by, here x is there, that will be already taken here, y by x, here again divided by x. So, we will get v sin v minus x will not be there, cos v. So, this is the third equation. So, carefully, or if you are having difficulties, substitute y is equal to vx, y is equal to vx. So, here also y is equal to vx you substitute. So, x will be coming out. So, you will be able to understand this better. So, here x is there, x will come out here, x square will cancel. So, substitute y is equal to vx, y is equal to vx, y is equal to vx, y is equal to vx. Here if you put y is equal to vx, it will be v, y, vx by x, vx by x, vx by x. So, this is the answer for that. Now, this we will simplify. X dv by dx is equal to, multiply this, v cos v minus v square sin v divided by v sin v minus cos v minus v. Now, let us take this, x into dv by dx is equal to v cos v minus v square sin v. You multiply this, v square sin v plus v cos v divided by v sin v minus cos v, v sin v minus cos v. See, when we are doing this, almost you will get cancellations, that is v square, here it is plus. So, here also plus plus. So, one of this v square sin v gets cancelled. Here you can see, here plus sign is there, but here minus sign is there. So, plus sign, this is a plus sign. So, here plus will be there. Now, x into dv by dx is equal to 2v cos v, 2v cos v divided by v sin v minus cos v. Now, separating the variables, v sin v minus cos v divided by 2v cos v dv is equal to dx by x. Now, we can start integration. Integrating this, v sin v minus cos v divided by 2v cos v is equal to dv is equal to integral dx by x plus, let me take it as log c. Now, what is the integration for this? You see, what is the substitution that we have to take? V cos v is equal to t we have to take. So, if you take v cos v is equal to t, what is the integration for this? V into, or we can do one more way also, we can do it. Integration can be done in another way also. I will do it. V sin v, v cos v. So, first integral is 1 by 2 tan v dv minus, you can see here what is this, minus cos v cancels. So, minus 1 by 2 into dv by v. So, this is equal to integral dx by x plus log c. So, what is this? Log secant v 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 log v. This is equal to log x plus log c, log x plus log c. Now, we can simplify this easily. You multiply this by 2, log secant v minus log v is equal to 2 into log xc, and this is log secant v by v is equal to log x square c square. Now, logarithms can be cancelled. What is the answer here? Secant v by v is equal to x square c square. Secant y by x is equal to v, if you take it here, x square c. So, secant y by x is equal to xy c square is the solution. Secant y by x is equal to secant y by x is equal to xy into c square is the solution. You can see the integration of this is taken like this, v sin v by 2v cos v. So, 1 by 2 tan v, 1 by 2 cos v cancels, 1 by 2 dv by v. So, this is the integration, and the simplification using logarithmic properties we have done. Secant y by x is equal to xy into c square. So, this completes 7th question. Let us go to the next one. 8th question is x into dy by dx minus y plus sin y by x is equal to 0. So, here dy by dx is equal to y minus sin y by x divided by x. Now, this is a homogeneous differential equation because the degree here is 1, here it is 0 degree, this is 1 degree. So, easily we can prove that it is a homogeneous differential equation. So, I will not be doing it, you have to prove it yourself. F of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda power n into f of x y, that you have to prove by replacing x by lambda x and y by lambda y. Now, this is a homogeneous differential equation. y is equal to Vx. Put y is equal to Vx. Differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x. What is dy by dx here? V plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx. Keep this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Now let us take using 2 in 1. Using 2 in 1. Let me see. This is x into. So here you take that as x into sine of y by x using 2 in 1. V plus x dv by dx is equal to, so divide by x, y by x we get, y by x is v minus x cancels, sin v. Now v we can cancel, x into dv by dx is equal to minus sin v. Now dv by sin v is equal to minus dx by x, variable separable. So what is this integration? 1 by sin v is cosecant v. So integral of cosecant v dv is equal to integral of minus dx by x. You can take this as log c. What is the integration of cosecant v? Minus log cosecant v plus cot v. This is minus log x plus log c. So this can be written as log of cosecant v minus cot v is equal to log c by x. So how I can write this? Cosecant v plus cot v in trigonometry is 1 by cosecant v minus cot v. So this minus sign, if you take it, this is 1 by cosecant v plus cot v. 1 by cosecant v plus cot v in trigonometry is cosecant v minus cot v. Now this is cosecant v minus cot v is equal to c by x, or x into cosecant y by x minus cot y by x is equal to c is the solution. So this is the solution of the differential equation. So looks very simple. You can simplify this if you want. How to simplify this? We can simplify this further. Further simplification is, you should know trigonometry here. What is this? 1 by sin v cos v by sin v is equal to c by x. So this is 1 minus cos v divided by sin v is equal to c by x. So x into 1 minus cos y by x is equal to sin y by x is the solution. So if it is possible, you can do it, otherwise you can keep it as it is, cosecant v minus cot v is equal to c by x. That is also correct answer, but here we can simplify further. 1 minus cos v by sin v, we can further simplify this, but that is not required. X into 1 minus cos y by x is equal to sin v goes to c, so c into sin y by x. So c is there, constant c is also there, c into sin y by x. X into x can be taken to this side, you can do it. So this question is also over. Let us try the next question. Continuing from the exercise 9.5. see y dx, see here dy we can take common, x log y by x minus 2x is equal to 0. So, into dy. So, dy by dx is equal to y 2x minus dy by dx is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to y divided by 2x minus x log y by x. So, first it will become minus y. So, minus y I have taken it as for denominator, instead of log x log y by x minus 2x, I have taken the minus sign here. So, you just verify it. So, it is a homogeneous differential equation. It is a homogeneous differential equation. So, this is equal to, this is a homogeneous. I have already told you, you have to prove yourself. F of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda power n into f of x y. N can be 0, 1, like that it will get homogeneous differential equation. Now, the first step is put y is equal to Vx, differentiating with respect to x. What is dy by dx? So many problems we have done. V plus x into dv by dx. So, number of problems we have completed. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So, what is the next step? You substitute in 2 in 1. Substituting 2 in 1. V plus x dv by dx is equal to, here you can see, if you divide it by x, here 2 minus log v and v by 2 minus log v. So, let us further simplify this. X into dv by dx is equal to v minus 2 minus log v minus v. So, this is v minus 2v plus log v divided by 2 minus log v. So, what you get here, log v minus v. X dv by dx is equal to log v minus v divided by 2 minus log v. Log v minus v divided by 2 minus log v. Here v is there, so v log v. So, v log v. Okay. So, v is multiplied 2v plus minus you will get plus v log v. Okay. Now, separating the variables, 2 minus log v divided by v into log v minus 1 is equal to dx by x. Dx by x. Now, only integration is pending. 2 minus log v divided by v into log v minus 1 is equal to integral dx by x plus c. Finally, if log c is required, we can write it as log c. Now, how to integrate this? Here you see log v minus 1 is there. So, we can write this as 1 plus 1 minus log v divided by v into log v minus 1. So, into dv is equal to integral dx by x plus c. How to integrate this? See, this is 1 by log v minus 1, v into log v minus 1. Here this cancels and we get 1 by v. See, you are able to understand, this is 1 by v log v minus 1, 1 minus log v minus 1, if you take it minus, you will get 1 by v is equal to dx by x plus c. Now we have to integrate this. For this integration, 1 by v dv is there. So log v minus 1 we can take it as substitution. So here you get log v minus 1 minus log v is equal to log x plus, write it as log c. So all the terms are in logarithms, so we can cancel it appropriately. What is the answer here? Log v minus 1 by v, log a minus log b. Here x into c. Now log y by x minus 1 is equal to y by x into xc. So log y by x minus 1 is equal to cy is the solution. So this is the solution for the differential equation. Log y by x is equal to cy, y by x minus 1 is equal to cy. So here 2 minus log v by v into log v minus 1, how to integrate? So in differential equation is nothing but application of integration. So formation of differential equation, differentiation. Solution of differential equation, we have to know how to integrate. See how I have integrated, we have written 2 as 1 plus 1, 1 minus log v, 1 minus log v minus 1, they are negative to each other. So it is minus 1 by v you will get. Here 1 by v log v minus 1, you can take log v minus 1 as substitution. So 1 by v dv becomes dt by t you will get, log t you will get, t is log v minus 1, log cancels. So this is log v minus 1 by v and it is log xc. So we have simplified it, we got the answers like that. Let us go to the next question.